The problem that Autaza is trying to solve is to make quality control less expensive and to make it more efficient. There was a bit of a search to look nationwide to find an office that would be suitable for this technology. The MEDC has been a wonderful partnership with us through Spark and also the Lean Rocket Lab. We've been utilizing those connections in order to bring this type of software, this type of technology to the market.
ABB is the world's largest robot supplier. I deal the most with the painting systems and dispense systems. We were actually looking for a partner for end-of-line inspection. We do all the paint process throughout most of these booths, but of the paint shop. But at the end of the shop, it ends up it's humans that are sitting there and usually inspecting the cars to make sure there's no paint defects.
We're trying to make it easier. We're trying to say, hey, look, we can partner with a company like ABB Robotics to utilize the inspections, to make them more streamlined, to make them more safer. So this is really what Industry 4.0 is all about, is bringing a sort of Silicon Valley, if you will, to the industrial floor, to the ground level, where the work can be most meaningful.
And so it's very important to have that high quality paint job consistently through the system. You don't want to be reworking all the time. So the whole idea is with a human inspecting at the end of the line, they miss things.
We still have humans walking a line looking for defects in a vehicle, say a bumper or the side paneling. We're talking about a person that's been working all day long looking at parts, looking at pieces of a bumper. They're going to wear down, they're going to get tired, they're not going to be able to inspect the same as they did at 9 o'clock as they did at 3 o'clock. Well, this kind of a system doesn't have that type of issue.
So the whole thing with Industry 4.0 is, okay, we have a lot of data. We have on our robot here, we got a RoboBell 1000i, that is a connected atomizer. We actually get a lot of data from this. And then with the Autaza system, they're identifying where these defects are happening. A lot of data. What are you doing with it? What we need is a consistent system that can then also recognize patterns of errors.
The repeatability of the system is what we're looking for. The cost effectiveness of the system and the customizable nature, because you've got multiple product lines that you're trying to send through. They're changing. Model lines are changing all the time. And so this kind of a system will be able to adapt on the fly for those type of changes. So that's not something that you can train easily with even the current systems.
What I have found in my experience is most of the people that used to be painting jobs, which is a very dangerous environment, a lot of those people end up becoming the robot operators. So they actually get a higher skill level job and being able to run the machines.
There's a lot of benefits to this system, and so we're ultimately just pushing the envelope, and we're looking for partners that are willing to work with that and to really drive the future of quality inspection.